Anybody think that this motor mount is bad? I think I can keep rocking it. Think that's good? Just keep using that? Should be all right, right? I got a new one, don't worry. That's for right there. So you just went down to Ace Hardware. I got a 6-gang plug to run on my 15 amp breaker, which is not very good to do. I got some batteries for the TV remote because it's been yelling at me for days. And then I got they call these bearings. It's gonna go, because of this engine's different, it's gonna go, motor mount's gonna go on, and it's gonna go on top of that. I'll show you here once I get it on. But yeah, just using it as a spacer. Because I was using before a bunch of bearings. I mean, they're washers, but they're actual bearings. And they're just stacked. So I got this piece. It's pretty much the same inch. And same thickness, but way nicer. So I'm gonna put on the new motor mount. And it's time to eat. So here's the new one. She should slide right in. Just like that. Oh yeah. And this guy should slide right through the front. If I can see. Oh yeah, motor's in a completely different spot. That's how bad that other one was. How am I even gonna get it over? There's the real question. Nope. Now, can you see that? Let's see if I can get it. Oh, oh, that's why it was close, because I was holding it. Darn it. Steering. That's why I have to get rid of it, because it's in the way of everything. Oh, oh. Now you gotta get to the other side. It's gonna be the hard part. That was nothing. Getting it in the other side's the real task. Got the mount in. Got the coolant in. Heck yeah, brother. Running pretty good. Except the blow up valve's not working, it's surging, but who cares? I'm not trying to make boost. But yeah, look at that, tack works. We gotta put the temperature's good. I don't know if I have heat though. I don't know if heat for some reason. She's alive. RX-7, so small. And to think that Hayden has a freaking V8 in that thing. It's sweet though. It's actually in pretty good shape.